Hey skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today we are going to be doing some backward brackets. Now, I've already posted a tutorial for the forward brackets, so you're going to want to make sure you've learned those. And I really recommend you also know how to do all 8 of your 3 turns, the 4 forward 3 turns and the 4 backward 3 turns. So I will post links to all of those footwork turns down below so you can brush up on those skills. So again, forward 3 turns, backward 3 turns, forward brackets, then it's time for these backward brackets. But if you're ready, we can get started. Now I'm going to be doing these on a curling circle. Brackets happen on a circle, so I'm going to use this curling circle to help you see the shape of this turn. As with the forward brackets, I've drawn the shape of this bracket here on the curve, and if you look closely, you can see that the point of the bracket goes outside the circle. All of your 3 turns, your point's going to go into the circle. For the brackets, it's going to go away. It looks like a bracket if you were writing one on paper. So this is the shape of the bracket. We're going to start with a back outside bracket. I'm going to start on my right leg, and for this one, again, I'm facing inside my circle. I'm going to put my right hand strong behind me, left hand in front, so that I can face that circle when I push. I'm going to push onto that right outside edge. So I'm pushing with my left over onto that right outside edge. So you have to make sure your arch isn't dropping in and you're not leaning in as you lift. So you have to be able to push and lift and correct your weight so you stay over on that outside edge and give your ankle just the slightest tip, slightest lean. You don't want it a heavy lean where you can't support it, but just a little bit of lean so you make sure you're on that outside edge. All right, so I'm gonna give myself a push. Now my free leg is going to stay in front of me for this outside bracket while I'm on the backward section. So my free leg is out in front. When I'm ready to turn, I'm going to lift my toe pick. Remember, any backwards turn, you're using the heel to turn, so your toe pick is going to lift up and over like a fan, right? Lift up and over, and then now my free leg is going to be at my heel, and I'm on my forward inside edge. So let's go over this right back outside edge bracket again. So we're going to push onto that right back outside edge, lift the toe, check the arms, and now you're on your right forward inside edge. Now, as with all of your footwork, all of your turns, you want to be able to do everything both directions. Don't make there be a gap in your skills by not practicing one side. So you also are going to want to practice the left back outside bracket. So it's the same thing. You're pushing onto that left back outside edge, your free foot in front. You're gonna lift that toe up and over like a fan, check the upper body, and have your free leg now at your heel. So it's gonna go from here to here, all right? Nice strong core. You wanna engage those muscles in your lower back, engage your belly button, feel like you're pulling your belly button back to your spine so your upper body is supporting your lower body. Push and lift. Now we're going to go over those backward inside brackets. So for the backward inside, your free leg starts at your heel. So it's on the side that you're going towards. So for the outside, it was at your toe to start. So you're going away from it. So for the inside, it's at your heel and you're going towards your free foot. So you're going to give yourself a push and then lift that inside foot so that it's in the direction that you're going. Your upper body is going to do the same thing. So you're facing inside and you're giving yourself a nice check from side to side, keeping the hips tucked under, the body tall, core engaged, back engaged, right? So you want that nice strong check with your upper body. It's the legs that are different. Okay, so I'm going to give myself a little tiny swizzle, half swizzle with my right leg. That's the one that's on the inside right now. And that's going to put me onto my left inside edge. Okay, so you want to be on that left inside to start this one. Okay, so we push, foot at the heel, lift the toe, and now your free foot is in front of you. You kind of want it to be almost like you're on a balance beam. So it's going from behind to right in front, so your feet are lined up right in front of each other as close as possible. All right, so give yourself a little bit of momentum, push with the right, gonna put that foot right at your heel, lift the toe, and then your free foot goes right in front of your skating foot. And again, we want to practice both sides of this, so we have all 4 backward brackets. So now I'm going to be on my right back inside edge. Again, you want that nice tall posture, but your foot slightly leaning to the inside. I'm not talking about a big lean where you're going to fall over, just a slight tip so you can hit that inside edge nice and clean. Okay, so this side, now I'm going to have my left hand in back so that I'm facing the inside of my circle. I'm going to be pushing with the left foot and then bringing it directly up to my heel. So I'm going to go push up to the heel. Push up to the heel, lift that toe, free foot goes to the front, and check forward. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. You can work on those forward brackets and backward brackets now, so you have some new footwork to play around with. If you enjoyed it, please do give us that thumbs up. And as always, I look forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.